First, we will be installing the Oracle virtual machine from the Oracle site, and we'll be clicking on the download link. Right now, I'm using Mac OS operating system for installing the Oracle VirtualBox. So right now, I have downloaded that. I'm downloading it again, and basically, I have already installed the Oracle VirtualBox on my laptop, and I'm just for the sake I'm just showing it here. Now we are just going to install the Ubuntu 14.04, and we just need to go to the Ubuntu website and search for the desktop version of Ubuntu 14.04. So basically, okay, let me look at the link here. We need to click on the download link, and from there you can see there is a Ubuntu desktop version. We need to download this particular version, and which works on the Oracle VM machine. So once you install the Oracle virtual machine, because I have already installed it on my machine, so I'm just going to ignore the current download of this Oracle VM on my laptop, and I will proceed. Once you install the Oracle VM, it will come into your application folders. Just click on that, and as you can see, I have already installed couple of Linux on my system because I was just practicing before, because basically I was preparing for this video. So let's start on this, and we just click on the new button, and here you can just specify the name of the Linux operating system. I'm just specifying Linux Ubuntu here, and it's going to be 64-bit, and just select the default options. You need to specify the RAM size, so I'm just going to say 4 GB. That should be enough for our testing purpose, and just keep selecting all the default options. Those are good for us. Once you select, you need to allocate the storage, just like the hard disk space, which is, so I'm just going to give around 20 GB. That should be sufficient. And once you do this, your virtual operating system is created. Let's click on the start button to start it. And once you start the operating system, it will ask you for the Ubuntu image that you have downloaded. So I just given the path of it. You can just go to the location where you have installed the Ubuntu, give that path, and just click on the start. As soon as you start on it, the installation for Ubuntu will start. So let's wait for it. It will take a few more moments to come up. So as you can see, Ubuntu 14.04 is installation has started. Yeah, here on this screen you need to click on the install Ubuntu, and just select the default option. If you are not plugged in your power source, you can plug in. If you are in a battery, you are good to go. Just click on the install now. And you can select the where are you, to set the times, the current time. Just click on the keyboard lever that you need to use, and you can give some name to it. I'm just going to give Linux. Oh, that. Let me try again, Linux, and I'm just going to give a short for my computer name like Linux VM, and you can specify the password. I'm not going to give a complicated password here. I'm just going to give the simple password because we are just doing the testing. Yes, if it is a production server, you need to give some critical password. Nobody should be able to guess it easily. Now just click on the continue. Now here, if you can see, the installation has started. It will take a while uh, for the installation to complete, because it's going to copy a lot of files which are required. So here I'm just going to wait, and I'll come back when the installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, you will see this message. At this point you need to restart your machine, so I'm just going to restart my the virtual Linux. Once the machine is restarted, we are good to go. Here you need to enter the password that you gave while installing the operating system. There is one known issue with the Ubuntu 14.04. When you install, sometime the screen resolution is not same as your laptop resolution. So because of some kind of package is missing, and we need to install that package additionally once you install the Linux. So for that we need to open the terminal, and at the terminal you need to go and you need to type in this command sudo apt-get, let me see the command, install virtualbox guest hyphen dkms. Let me recheck that. Yes, dkms. Once you install this package, it will solve your issue of the screen resolution. Here you need to enter the password and you need to say continue. It will take few minutes to install the required package, and hopefully when this installation of this package is complete, we should be having the full screen, having the same resolution as of your laptop. Hopefully, let's see that what happens. So yeah, it will take few minutes, so just wait for it. Yeah, it's taking quite time. Still wait for it. It shouldn't take more than a minute or two. Yeah, it's almost done. Let's wait for the command prompt to come by. Yeah, it's there. Now at this moment, we just need to restart our virtual machine. Just here you can just select on the restart button, and let's see what happens now. So most likely when we are going to restart the machine, the screen should maximize. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Yeah, it worked. So you can enter the Linux password here that you gave while installing the operating system, and then let's run few commands to see if everything is good.